How to run your Python program by using virtual machine. Keep your program in your pen drive. Insert pen drive. It will ask question. Connect to the host. Connect to the virtual machine. Choose connect to the virtual machine. Give OK. Wait until it detects. Now continue without scanning, or else if you want to scan you can do it, but without scanning I am giving. So open folder to view file, go to your project folder, copy your project, go to shared folder, just right click, paste it. Open folder, open hard disk, open PGM, just give run module.